Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mareta Putri. I am from TBIA class 2017. I am from group 3. I am going to present about chapter 4. The material is Linguistic, Varieties, and Multilingual Nations. Over half the world's population is bilingual, and many people are multilingual. They acquire a number of languages because they need them for different purposes in their everyday interactions. In this chapter, we learn linguistic varieties such as vernacular languages, standard languages, lingua franca, and the last, pidgin and Creole. Okay, the first is vernacular languages. Vernacular languages generally refers to language which has not been unstandardized and which doesn't have official status. Vernacular are usually the first language learned by people in multilingual community, and they are often used for a relatively narrow range of informal functions. For example, the children talking with their parents use informal language from their places. For example, their places is in Palembang. So, it is a vernacular languages that they use. Okay, as we know, in Indonesia there are many vernacular languages such as bahasa Jawa, bahasa Palembang, bahasa Batak, bahasa Sunda, bahasa Baduy, and etc. Next material is the three main components of vernacular languages. The first is a vernacular is an uncodified or unstandardized variety. The term vernacular simply means a language which is not an official language in a particular context. So, when people talk about education in a vernacular language, for instance, they are usually referring to education in an ethnic minority language in a particular country. And next, the second component is it refers to the most colloquial variety in a person's linguistic repertoire. So, it means the vernacular is the variety used for communication in home and with close friends. It is a language of solidarity from people, solidarity between people from the same ethnic group. And the last component is it is used indicate that a language is used in formal everyday interaction without implying that is appropriate. For example, Hebrew was a language of ritual and religion with no native speaker. It was no one's parental tongue and was certainly not considered a vernacular language. I think that's all about vernacular languages. I apologize for my mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.